Hey everyone, Creative Venus here, and check out this beautiful business infographic slide and look at the animation. It is so fluid and beautiful. So let's start the tutorial. So guys, let's begin with the tutorial. So I have placed the finalized slide at the bottom left corner. So you can see how we are designing the slide step by step. So you can see in the finalized slide there are 4 rows. So we just need to design one row and then we will duplicate it like 3 times. So that's what we will do here. So the first step is to insert this rectangular shape, remove its outline, which is very important. Now we need to format the background and fill some light gray color here. And apply white color on this rectangular bar. Duplicate it, reduce its width and height. Now place it here like this. Apply shadow effect, increase the blurriness. So this is your experiment area. Here you can try different shadow parameters like blurriness and transparency until you get the desired result. Now send this small rectangular bar to the behind. Now insert this circle, remove its outline and place it here like this. Make sure its height and width is same and place it here. Send to back. Now we can only see its left half. Reduce its width and now insert another circle and place it at the center like this. Make sure its height and width is same. So now once it is placed at the center, what we will do is we will cut this circle into 2 pieces. We need the semicircle here. For that there are 2 things. Either you can subtract this circle or you can use edit points option. Here you can open the path. Now delete this point, again delete this point, and now you're left with a semicircle. Now duplicate this semicircle, flip it vertically and apply a darker blue here and place it like this, and you will see a very nice color effect here. Now select both these semicircles and press Ctrl G for grouping. Now you have grouped this circle. Now we will cut this hollow circle into 2. For that we have inserted this rectangle and used the merge shapes option. From there we have subtracted this hollow circle, and now duplicate it and flip it vertically and send to back. Now select this smaller rectangle and reduce its height to half, duplicate it and place it here like this. Select it and send to back. Make sure both these shapes are aligned. And now we will fill some darker color here, slightly darker than the white, so that we can get a nice shadow effect here. Now duplicate this rectangular shape here, remove its shadow, and what we will do is we will change its color to gray, light gray color, reduce its height to half of the rectangle and place it like this. Now select this circle and hollow circle and bring them to forward. Now it's the time to add some colors here, and first we will select one shape and fill the color from the color palette. Now select the second shape, the other half, and apply the same color but one tone darker. Apply the same style on this circle as well, and on these two shapes as well. So we now have two shades of orange, and this is looking really beautiful now. And what we need to do is we need to apply some reflection effect. It's like light is falling on this shape and some glossiness is there, and that's what we want to show. For that you can use triangular shape here. Remove the outline. So I have filled yellow color so that we can select it easily. Now flip it vertically, then horizontally. Make sure the outline is removed. Slightly reduce its width. And now what we need to do is we have to select this triangle, apply black color, increase the transparency to approximate 90 to 95%, and you can see it is looking really nice and more realistic. So apply some shadow effect here. So you can try and test different things here, as I'm doing all these things in the real time. So sometimes I do it wrong, then I correct it. So now you can fill some text here. So text styling is totally up to you, because it depends upon the kind of information you want to showcase. If the information is in the form of some heading and some description, then you can use this style. Or if you want to showcase some numbers or percentage, then you can write the percentage in the circle and the supporting statement in the form of description. So it's totally up to you. You can try different styles here. Make sure everything is well aligned. Alignment is very important in the presentation designing. So I have also placed subheading here. You can remove it if you want. So till now, if you have liked this video, or if you're watching, please subscribe to our channel and hit the join button. By joining this amazing membership, you can support us. Also, you can hit the like button as well. Your support is important, and your support is only one thing that motivates us to create these beautiful presentation templates. Also, for the fonts, don't try to use exact black color, use dark gray colors. And now you can see it is looking really beautiful. Let's fill some icons here. I love icons, and these are an important part of any presentation, and they make it look much more engaging in terms of understanding the information. So I've inserted this icon here, reduce its size and place it here. Make sure it is at the center of this circle. Fill white color, and it's looking really nice. Now you can duplicate it and you can place it here like this. So you can now reuse these shapes to create this beautiful 4 steps infographic, or you can even use it for 6 steps infographic as well if you have less content. You just need to add one more at the bottom, but for that you need to reduce its height and width as well. So it's totally up to you how you want to use it. So our design is almost complete. We just need to change the colors here from our color palette. So you can skip this part if you know how to fill this color. Otherwise, you can watch it. So these are some repetitive steps which you can follow. So if you know all the steps here, you can skip to 15 minutes 25 seconds. Now let's design the background here, which is very simple. As you can see the finalized slide on the left, we just need to place a dark background towards the top of the slide, which is slightly slanted. For that you need to insert this shape. So there are many ways you can design this kind of slanted shape here. You can insert a rectangle and then you can subtract it with the triangle, or you can directly use this kind of shape, place it like this, then you can flip it vertically and place it towards the top. So there are many ways to do this. We just need to reduce its height, but also we need to change its angle further, because currently the angle is not the same as you can see on the finalized slide on the left. So for that we need to use the merge shapes option. What we'll do is we will insert a triangle here, then we will place it over the shape, then we will select both these shapes by pressing the control button, and then we will use the subtract option. Let's see. So here we have inserted this triangle, select both these shapes, select merge shapes option, press subtract, and here you go. So our background is almost ready. So let's write the slide title here, and you know how to do that. But if you are following any brand template, so there must be an option there to add the title by default, so you can use that option. But now it's a time to use these kinds of clean design where there are no such top bars, because if I see most of the templates have this common area at the top where you write the slide title and there is small bar. So that's kind of, old fashioned. Now it's the time to use this kind of complete slide where you can place a small logo at the top corner. So by doing this you get much more area to play. So if you can write a small subheading as well below the slide title, that would be great, and that really helps in understanding the content better and understanding the topic of that slide. Now we need to add some more design elements to the slide. If you can see on the finalized slide, we have added few circular abstracts and texture on the left side and towards the top right. And for that we need to insert this circular shape, and we will remove its fill and we will only keep its outline. Just keep on duplicating these circles and increase the height and width, then again duplicate, increase height and width, so you can design any custom shape like this, as you can see on your screen. Now group them and again increase the height and width. Make sure the height and width is same. So this is how you can do it. Now select all these shapes here and you can align them to the center, then align to the middle. Now group all these circles together and increase its height and width and place it like this. And apply a lighter color to it, send to back. So you can adjust the placement as per your choice. Now duplicate this and place it towards the top as well and send to back. And you can place it like this and change the color matching the background so that it is slightly visible. Then you can increase its size. And now it is looking like a finalized slide here. I haven't covered the animation part in this video because I want you guys to do it, so I'll give you a hint. I've applied the grow and shrink animation on these two circles and the dark background. So our slide design is complete. If you like this design, please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, which is very important for us. If you guys support us, then we will create more such beautiful videos. Hit the like button, share this video within your circle, and keep watching our videos. Please do not forget to download this template from the G Drive link. Bye bye.